Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a full face cleanup routine using only Good Vibes skincare products. So I have filled all of these products into this pack. So let's just get started with the video. If you are following my channel for a while, you might be knowing that how much I love Good Vibes skincare products. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to be using a mild cleansing milk all over my face. But before doing that, I'm going to be tying my hair into a bun so that it does not fall all over my face. Now I'm going to be using the raspberry and peppermint cleansing milk from Good Vibes. I'm going to be taking 2 to 3 pumps and I'm going to be spreading this all over my face. This is a very good cleansing milk and it effectively removes makeup and also deep cleanses your pores. I absolutely love this cleansing milk and I highly recommend it. Now I'm going to be massaging this cleansing milk all over my face for a minute or so, and then I'm going to be washing this with plain water. After using my cleansing milk, I'm going to be using a mild cleanser all over my face. Today I'm using the Good Vibes Rosehip Deep Cleansing Face Wash. This is also a good face wash, but I would recommend this only for normal to dry skin types. It is not that good for oily skin, although I have oily skin, but it is a okay face wash for me. It did not do any wonders for my skin. It was a okay face wash. Some of the face washes of Good Vibes that I really like are the Havana Mango face wash and also the green tea face wash. Both of these are really good. Done massaging my face wash. After this, I'm going to be washing this with plain water. After using the face wash, I'm going to be using a scrub. Today I am using the Good Vibes Pomegranate Brightening Face Scrub. To be honest, I don't like this face scrub at all because I find that the particles of this face scrub are really harsh and they can create micro tears all over your face. But still, I'm using this face scrub because I did not have any other face scrub from Good Vibes. So now I'm going to be massaging this face scrub all over my face, concentrating on my T-zone because those are the areas where I get a little bit of whiteheads and blackheads. Although this scrub is not that good for removing your whiteheads or blackheads, to be honest, I don't recommend this scrub at all because it did not work anything for me. Of the scrubs of Good Vibes that I absolutely love are the Havana Mango Scrub and also the Rosehip Scrub. Both of these scrubs are really amazing and I would highly recommend these two scrubs to you all. This is me after scrubbing my face. You can see that my face is looking very bright and it has also become very smooth. Now after this, I'm going to be showing you all a DIY face mask using 2 powders from Good Vibes. So for making the face mask, I have taken 2 powders from Good Vibes. One is the light kaolin powder and the second one is the Dead Sea Mud powder. I'm going to be mixing these 2 powders to make a beautiful face mask. So for making the face mask, you'll be needing Dead Sea Mud powder from Good Vibes and also light kaolin powder from Good Vibes and also a bowl and spoon for mixing the ingredients. So firstly, I'm going to be grabbing 1/4 spoon of Dead Sea Mud powder and also equal quantities of light kaolin powder. Now to this, I'm going to be adding a little bit of water and there you go. Your face mask is absolutely ready to be applied. So after this, I'm going to be applying my face mask all over my face evenly and I'm going to be keeping this for 15 to 20 minutes. Dead Sea Mud powder helps in subsiding our pores and light kaolin powder visibly brightens our skin. So these 2 ingredients are really good to be applied on our faces as a face mask. This face mask can be used once or twice a week. This is a very good face mask. I'm going to be keeping this face mask all over my face for 15 to 20 minutes and then I'm going to be washing this with plain water. Now 15 to 20 minutes are done. It has dried and after this I'm going to be washing this off with regular plain water. So I have washed my face with regular water and you can see the results by yourself that how much my face is glowing and it has really become visibly bright. So I would highly recommend this face mask. You can use this face mask once or twice a week for good results. Now after using the face mask, I'm going to be using a toner from Good Vibes. Today I'm going to be using the Good Vibes Cucumber Glow Toner. It is one of the best toners from Good Vibes. It also works very well as a face mist. And it has also helped me in minimizing my pore size. Now I'm going to be dabbing this toner all over my face for 1 to 2 minutes. This helps the toner to get absorbed into our skin. Now once I'm done, I'm going to be jumping into the next step. So for the next step, I'm going to be using a moisturizer all over my face. So today I'm going to be using the Good Vibes Saffron and Turmeric Depigmentation and Acne Control Facial Moisturizer. It is a good moisturizer for normal to dry skin. Although oily skin people can also use it. I have oily skin. This moisturizer also suits my skin, but then sometimes I get a little bit of breakout after using this moisturizer because this is a bit thick. So I always apply this at night. So friends, with that we have come to the end of our video. You can see the results by yourself that my skin is glowing like anything. If you liked my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.